In this video, I want to deny incoming request from a specific IP address. For example, I can say if a client with IP address 5620 ask a request, deny it. Let's go and test it. As you can see, file 22 is denying. Let me see my laptop IP address. My laptop is first one, and I will change it to my laptop. All incoming requests from my laptop will be denied, but I can request from any other IP address. 22. And now if let's see who is this. It is my HAProxy server, and if I ask for 21 authentication application, answering it. But if I ask from my laptop, this is HAProxy address, you can see my request is forbidden by administrative rule. But instead of saying let me see, file 22, instead of inputting, as you can see here, I used my IP address directly in the file. But I can put my IP address in a file, vim file. I can put my IP address into a file, for example, a range of IP address. And we can put lots of IP address in this file and say to my HAProxy, use this file and block all IP address in this file. Let's go and test it. Here you can see if I ask from the HAProxy, it will answering me, but if I ask from my client, it is forbidden by administrative rule.